Good afternoon, fine people. I have a fantastic car for you to see what I enjoy doing the most. This is, I'm at one of my car dealerships. This is Norm Reeves Hyundai of Cerritos. Yes, Cerritos. And I have, what is this? What kind of car is this? This is a Tucson. And it is very chipped up on the front. Typical road, road chips on the hood, chips all over the hood. I'm gonna make this car look really good. I love doing cars like this because the difference is so dramatic. And this is something you wouldn't take to a body shop, but it might just really annoy you. But it's not like damage to the car. It's just really unsightly to look at. So let me see. I'll show you what it looks like. Tour of where I am. This is Norm Reeves Hyundai. This is their side reserve lot. There's hundreds and hundreds of cars here, new and used. But this is just where they store the cars until somebody wants to come buy them. But anyway, worked here for about 10 years maybe. So I'm gonna take this on. Not sure how close I have to get for you to see the chips, but it is very peppered. Yeah, big chips. Here's my hand for size things. So the little bitty ones will go away completely. These you're really not going to see, but you'd have to get a magnifying glass to look at. So the chips, that's all across the front lip mostly. It's moving up the hood here a little bit too. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate this process for you are my abilities. I'm going to do half the hood and leave half the hood so you can really see the difference. And I will knock your socks off, assuming that you're wearing socks. So there you go. That's how bad it is. And I will make all that go away. If you were to take this to a body shop, I'm guessing $1,000 maybe. And again, they'd have your car for a day or so. And FYI, mobile guys can't spray horizontal surfaces because the dust settles on it and it gets really messy. So somebody that comes to your house can do bumpers, vertical surface, because they don't have to worry about dust settling in their wet paint. But horizontal surfaces like your hood and roof and any other damage, you need a clean rim. So they put it in a dust-free environment to spray. Little information for you. Okay, let me get busy. Okay, we are all set. I've just done the hood. I just done half the hood and it looks really good. So I am currently about 4 feet, well it doesn't matter. I'm about 4 feet away and I can't see any of the chips. It looks really good. It looks like a brand new car. Very happy with that. So, and I love doing this. This is one of my favorite things to do. I've been doing paint chip repair for 20 years. I've been called the best touch-up guy in the country by the Porsche Club of America, the vice president of Mazda North America. That's an interesting story. Actually, I was working on a guy's car in Irvine, and he said, Steve, you did such a good job on my car. I will tell you who I am. I'm the vice president of Mazda North America. Very humble, very pleasant, very nice man. And I'm like, wow. And I was really taken aback. And he gave a tour of the Mazda headquarters, which is in Irvine, to some of my friends and I, and very nice. And we've remained friends on Facebook, and that was probably 10 years ago. So yeah, very, very nice guy. So yeah, I'm good at what I do, is what I'm trying to tell you. And this is one of the things I really like doing the most. So there you go. Let me have you take a look. Okay, so you can see I did half the hood and left half the hood. I'm just gonna, from this angle, it seems like you can see the damage and not damage the best. And I really hope that shows up in the camera, because I like doing these cars. So see all the chips on the right side. You might see them a little bit on the left, but really just barely. Staying over here. So it came out really nice. So for retail, oh boy, what am I? Probably for the whole car, I'd probably charge 300 bucks for the whole car for that. I have a set price for car dealerships. It's generally 60 bucks, and I do everything I can find on the car. Some cars are difficult. Well, not difficult. Some cars are very time consuming. Some cars are very easy but difficult. It's, you know, a little counterintuitive. Sometimes there's a chip, but it takes me forever. Sometimes there's a lot of little chips, which is easy to do, but takes a while. So, you know, what may look like a chip can be a little bit. Anyway, that's my rate for car dealerships, and the difference for retail work. So now you know. I just wanted to give you a little more information about that, about my work. I mostly work for car dealerships. I work for some of the most prestigious car dealerships in Southern California. Lately it seems like mostly BMW and Porsche dealerships. I work for Newport Porsche, Irvine Porsche, South Bay Porsche, all the Porsche dealerships in my area. Namely because the standards are higher, and Porsche seem to pick up chips similar to this in a video I posted earlier. So that's, yeah. So private cars and dealerships, I try to mix it up. And I go to people's homes to do the paint touch-up, home or office. And I have a regular routine for the car dealerships. So there you go. Please let me know if you have any questions. It's best to text me. I have trouble answering my phone because I usually have wet paint on my hands. My phone number to text is 714-766-0464. And no matter where you are in the country, please send me your pictures. I really like helping people. So if you're not sure if you need to go to a body shop or just touch up, or you know how to find good vendors, I can tell you how to find good vendors, ethical, good people. There are still good people out there. So let me know. And the website is carpaintchiprepair.com. Easy to remember. Okay, see ya. Okay, I'm packing up and moving on to my next destination, another car dealership. I did want to really emphasize that I'm probably not your ordinary paint touch-up guy. I am a classically trained artist. I went to art school for like a long time. And I like the aesthetics of the car. And I know color, as I've said in earlier videos. I had an ad agency for quite a few years, a printing company, and you know, I've got color in my veins. So I'm not just putting blobs of paint on your car. I'm you know, very artistically filling in the chips or painting that scratch as good as it's really going to get without going to a body shop. There are a lot of paint blobbers out there that just put a blob of paint in there and they can tell their boss, yep, I put a blob of paint in the car. And I am not that guy, so please do not confuse me with that caliber person. I am a craftsman, and I'm very good at what I do, and I like what I do. So there you go. Enjoy.